language, Arabic and Iranian, but my English is
we will be very happy with your 50-50.
I like our question is short and simple.
Yeah. Questions should be in lucid and of course short and not very complicated words should be used there. I mean a short and pinpointed. Okay, this is one request.
Okay. I am very happy to showing my film Day Triangle in the Calcutta International Film Festival. It is not first time to show my film before Calcutta in the Baghdad International Film Festival. To take jury award. And before that, in the Cairo International Film Festival, before Cairo, in the Arab Camera Film Festival in the Rotterdam, before that, in the Dubrovnik International Film Festival in the Iran.
It received the prize of the best director in the Festival of Imperia, Italy.
It's short film.
Yeah, okay.
It is
short
my
film, not Day Triangle.
Day Triangle is my first feature film. Before this film, I'm making 12 short films.
12 short films.
Yeah.
And this